Hello and welcome to the Paddock Society. This is how you onboard. It's not too hard. You need a MetaMask, and that's what we're going to go over. So let's get to it. The first thing that you need to do is you need to open up a Chrome browser. Second, you need to go up here to Chrome extensions, and you need to install the MetaMask Chrome extension right here. And if you need, you can go to metamask.io. It'll come up like this. You'll set your password, etc., and that'll give you access to your MetaMask wallet. So what we have here right now is my MetaMask wallet, and as you guys can clearly see, I've been sending lots of WEN to lots of people as they onboard to the Paddock Society. So what's great about the MetaMask Chrome extension is that you can pin it, right? You can pin it just like this so that it's on the right side as you go through the paddocksociety.org. So it's really easy. Once you have MetaMask installed, not hard at all. You can click here to connect your MetaMask to the system, or you can go down here. So you click on this. It might give you some options like Cosmopolitan Wallet or Phantom, but it'll auto check what type of cryptocurrency wallets you already have installed. So if you only have MetaMask installed, it's only going to give you this option. So let's click on that. What it's going to do is it's going to bring up a connection to your wallet. And what you're going to do here is it's going to tell you to print your membership card. That way you connect your wallet and create a membership card with a unique member number. What this essentially is a signature proving that you own this wallet and you are connecting this wallet to a new minted membership card on the Paddock Society. Now, as you can clearly see here, I'm already connected and I'm member 0008. My rank is Paddock. I have 40 laps. We can talk about that in a second. And check-ins. So what are laps? Laps is a point system that you can learn about up here. You can check into races. You can give WEN to your favorite driver or team. You can engage in giveaways, engage in activities, these types of things. So that's what laps is all about. And so you can see that I've unlocked a couple of achievements here because I've transferred stuff over and I've typed in some codes, which I can give you, by the way. No big deal. And so if you want to support your favorite team, or if you have a team that you think should onboard to WEN so that they can be supported, it's really easy. Once you've connected your MetaMask wallet and you have some WEN in there, then you can click on any of these teams. Like right here, we can go to Saddington Racing. It copies your address immediately. If you want to send them 1,500 WEN, something like this, send from wallet. It's going to open up a confirm, and then once you confirm, you can send it. Now you might be asking, well, Peter, I've connected to the Paddock Society, but I don't have any WEN. So that's easy. What you need to do is you need to have some Ethereum, and you need to send the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Okay. Now right now I'm on the Robinhood chain. I need to go to Ethereum, and it'll swap all this and show you when I sent $1,000 of Ethereum over here to start doing testing. And so you'll need to send Ethereum to your Ethereum wallet. And then once you have Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet here in the Chrome extension, so I clearly have no more, I've used up all my Ethereum here. Then you go to Uniswap. So this is how you buy WEN on Uniswap. Same thing as the Paddock Society. You connect your wallet to the site. So we connected our wallet to the Paddock Society. You're going to connect your wallet to Uniswap. So you can go to app.uniswap.org for that. And once you connect it, then you select token, and you'll see WEN LAMBO, right? And that'll not only show you your balance of WEN LAMBO, but it'll allow you to buy or trade Ethereum for WEN LAMBO. And it'll go right into your, not network Ethereum, but network Robinhood chain. It'll go to the network Robinhood chain on your MetaMask wallet. And once you have it here, then you can go back and you can support your favorite team. Really cool, huh? Really cool.